I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and you are watching the regular series of various courses in the foreign universities where you can apply and various scholarships, how to attain those scholarships. So that kind of series you are watching regularly. In today's series, a very important scholarship I am going to discuss with you, that is Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, if I am pronouncing it correctly. So this scholarship is on the name of a person who is from one country, that is Ireland, this country, and this is the scholarship which is offered for study in these kind of countries. So this scholarship is offered to the students who are to pursue basically masters from any country. If you are and you are at the masters level, you can get this particular scholarship. Now, what is the basically this particular advantage of this scholarship is you may apply for this in even final year of your graduation. So whether you are in final year for your graduation or you are doing masters, you can apply for this particular scholarship. You know, advantage of this one unique feature of this scholarship is that you can pursue your higher education in two different countries, because in this scholarship there's a provision that you are to get the degree from two different universities. Let's say Italy and some another country or something like that. This is to be provided to you. So that means there is a joint degree program and a joint degree is provided to you. And this joint degree will be provided to you by those two universities. It can be more than two universities also, but minimum two universities you are to get this particular thing, different from your country of residence. Now, what is the advantage of this Erasmus Mundus scholarship? The advantage of this is like this 100% tuition fee waiver is there. Travel expenses are also covered in this. Monthly €1,000 will be provided to you. All the courses are in English, and you can get internship also. Part-time jobs also you can do, but that is not recommended because you are already getting €1,000. That is what when I'm saying you are pursuing your master's level, and even if from masters to PhD you go, you can avail that much of scholarship. 1 year study visa is given in the Netherlands. So I think this Erasmus Mundus, he is from Netherlands. He was from Netherlands, and in his name this scholarship is provided. And Netherlands, may you are to after graduation you have to stay. You can get the stay visa for Netherlands. The master's course you can do from different countries, different universities, but stay you will do in Netherlands after your course is complete. Now, in which domain Erasmus Mundus scholarship is offered? These are the domains they have mentioned. Where is the engineering here? You'll say, sir, engineering I can't see. Now there's a catch. If you're a civil engineer, then you apply in environmental and geoscience domains. Geomatics, geoinformatics, environment, you know, you already prepared that. So the very good scholarships are offered for civil engineers in this. If you want to pursue, if you are from other branch of engineering, and if you want to pursue courses on data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, then you can apply in this domain. So you should have a really good idea on which you want to work, and you have to apply, and this scholarship will be provided to you. How it is done is like these are the deadlines, and TOEFL, IELTS, etc. is required. The one catch point is very good motivation letter is required for this, and that is where your PDM counseling can help you in that. We can provide you guidance for that, how to write this motivation letter. And you know, how do we know that what are the projects? The projects they already have. You have to only mention about that. You have to apply in particular projects. So how do you know about the projects? I'm giving some example. Like this is a project which is in chemical innovation and regulation, right? Now MSc in chemical innovation and regulation. Suppose there is some chemical engineer who wants to apply in this. Then the project location is in Portugal, Italy, Spain. As I told you, it can be more than two countries also. So here you have to do this particular thing. And similarly, if there is a project, masters in embedded computing system, if you want to proceed, Germany, Italy, Norway, United Kingdom. So these will be the location for this project. So you will visit different countries during your master's course. Traveling expenditure they will cover. You will get monthly scholarship. So this is a free of cost for you, and you can get it. So you have to mention something about this project, why you want to do this project. So that very good motivation letter you have to use. These are basic criteria, basic requirements which you have to fulfill. So keep this scholarship in your mind. You can Google out, you can find out what this scholarship is all about. We should have knowledge of various scholarships, and if you have knowledge about that, just apply and you get chance to get into this. As I told you earlier also, the reason Indian students are not going abroad and availing this is lack of awareness, lack of information, and maybe the push factor which we are pushing you for that. If that push factor is also there, information is also there, counseling is also there, then I think you can apply and you can get these scholarships also. All the best, and we will keep on coming with more such information. Thank you.